What's up, y'all? I'm Mr. President, better known as Prez the Investor, and you are now investing with Prez. Before we go any further, I need you to do me just one favor. Hit the like button for me, and if you are not currently subscribed to my channel, subscribe. Before we get started, I need you to understand something. This will probably be the most important video I will ever make. If you care even a little about your money, your future, or just not getting played by shady financial influencers and brokers, you need to stick around all the way to the very end. Trust me, everything I'm about to share could save you from making mistakes I once made myself. So pay attention. Seriously, don't scroll, don't click away, because what I'm about to show you could change the way you see the financial world forever. Most of these so-called finance experts have zero formal education in finance, no degrees, no licenses, no experience managing money. Many started their channels during the pandemic. Before that, failed musicians, Uber drivers, salesmen, retired teachers, suddenly they're gurus selling courses. Oh sure, quit your 9 to 5 with $1,000 in your account, because that's totally how adulting works. They react to CNBC clips, quote Tom Lee like he's a financial god, and throw around Cathie Wood's ARK ETFs, which, let's be honest, have been underperforming for years. They prey on desperate audiences, using religion or poverty as a lure, charging $15 to $30 a month to thousands of subscribers. Multiply that by 25,000, and suddenly that's a lot of money before taxes. For info you can Google for free. How they keep the illusion going? Fake testimonials from accounts created last week, deleted negative comments because saying the truth is bad for business, doctored by order screenshots with no real receipts. Wow, look at all these glowing reviews from people whose accounts were created last week. Must be legit. Lose money? Well, if you joined my VIP course, you would have gotten the buy alerts. Some bring CEOs of failing penny stock companies onto their channels, get paid to hype the stock, and don't disclose it. Big investor conventions to look legit. Really, just marketing. And a disclaimer, this is not financial advice. Then immediately sell a $30 course. Pick a lane. Over 90% of day traders lose money, yet influencers market it as the fast track to quitting your 9 to 5. $1,000 trading account? Well, most Americans can't even afford a $1,000 emergency. And yet, they're telling you this will replace your job. Spoiler alert, it won't. You're far more likely to blow it up in a few weeks. Let me tell you about stop loss hunting. Market makers know where retail investors put their stop loss orders. They can push a stock below your stop loss, triggering your sale, then buy cheap. Congrats, you just bought the market maker's lunch. Bon appetit. Influencers preach, always use a stop loss. It protects you, right? Until it's used against you. Now let's talk about payment for order flow, better known as PFOF, and dark pools. Payment for order flow, Robinhood, Webull, Moomoo. Sell your trades to market makers. Profit for them. Worst execution for you. Dark pools, they're secret venues for hedge funds. Legal? Yes. Fair? Nah. Robinhood CEO? Ties to King Griffin. We all know who King Griffin is. If you don't, Google it. Webull and Moomoo? Connections to the PRC. That's China. Allegedly. Your broker says commission free, but don't worry. Someone's still making a killing off your trades. Retail investors are literally funding the system that bets against them. And the YouTubers, feeding it via affiliate links. Everyone profits except you. Some influencers love to name drop. Yeah, I met Michael Saylor at the recent Bitcoin convention. Really? Saylor? Bitcoin convention? Sure, he had time to hang out with someone whose biggest financial asset is a ring light. And remember FTX? I do. The crypto exchange that collapsed? Many promoted it, made money off referral codes, and now, poof, deleted, scrubbed. Removing evidence that proves you promoted a failed platform? Kind of like tampering with evidence, right? Payment for order flow, dark pools, financial YouTubers, hedge funds on TV, all connected. It's a money machine. Retail investors are the fuel. 14 notifications a day about Dogecoin memes? Yeah, that's how you become a panic trader. Fidelity does it right. 2 notifications. Trade executed, monthly statement ready. That's all you need. And now they even offer sports betting, because nothing says secure retirement like betting your portfolio on Sunday football. Genius move, Robinhood. Full disclosure, someday YouTube might run ads from Robinhood, Webull, Moomoo, Crypto.com, or other courses. I can't control that. The difference? I'll never sell a course. You got my word. I'll never push shady affiliate links. I'll never take undisclosed payments. You can keep your money, affiliates. I'm self-taught from books and experience. I was once a blind follower too. Now I see the system. Unlike some influencers, I won't sell you a course. I won't push affiliate links. I'm just here to keep it real, y'all, and free. Some say you're bringing down your own people. Others, we're all responsible for our own choices. Sure, but when you target desperate, financially illiterate people, you're helping them make bad decisions. You're part of the problem. Apparently, if I call out shady financial practices, I'm betraying my own people. Sure, Leon. So I guess this video officially makes me a hater. Really? Yeah, I figured some of y'all would play victim, but here's the thing. I'm not hating. I'm exposing. There's a difference. Hating is personal. Exposing, that's called helping people not get played. I make these videos so that people can understand the game without falling for the scams. If influencers truly cared about financial literacy, they give it away, just like I am. Over 90% of day traders lose money, but hey, that 10% chance keeps us watching. In closing, slow and steady, informed investing beats chasing hype. Question: who profits off your decisions? Share this video. The more people know the truth, the less power these gurus have. If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die.